Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka Pynkylla ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Hagajingalang Jonga Rising Northeast Investors Summit kablalong hagasngi thok diang. Ka artli company ki behetam ha India lapin bana bagin Theh Pisa ri hajar Klur tingka ban Pynkylla dur ya ka than chate lam mingi lani ka than Northeast bat ling bakani kan yarap ru ban aikam aijam ya ki khon samla Jonga ni ka than. Chairman Jonga Reliance Industries Mukesh Ambani ulapin bana baga company jong u kan Theh Pisa nyepusan hajar Klur tingka ban sengkam sengjam haga than Northeast bat ling bakani kindan kumba arpusan lakngot ki samla ki ban yok kam yok jam bat ling bagi kam ki baga company kan wanra kan permentoy ki saupusan million ngot ki dong song Jonga Northeast ki kam ki baga company jong u Mukesh Ambani kan le hagan ka than kalong ban pinbiang ka boarding ling baga solar ban pinya sho ika jupiter kam ni ka artificial intelligence high school ki hospital kishlem tre kam pher pada wat ki yeng breu ka Reliance klayate lokru bat ka Mizoram University ban le research holo jingpang cancer haki jimboin jong ki kinthai sakwai pat ka company ka bahe ka Adani group klapin mana bakan Theh Pisa sasan pho hajar Klur tingka haka than Northeast nalor bakladep kular san pho hajar Klur kamenchwa Chairperson Jonga company Gautam Adani ulong balai banai menchwa ulakular ha Assam baga company kan Theh Pisa san phoja Klur tingka ban sengkam sengjam ha Northeast bat mentapat kan pendap yang dag bathe sa san phoja Klur tingka ha kirish post nam kibanwan kadega company kan pendot ban chinai ki hydro project ki surok ki smart meter ba ki wepat ki jatkam.
Most respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, esteemed dignitaries, good morning. Let me begin by saluting our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for the resounding success of Operation Sindoor. This success is a shining testament to his steely resolve and to the unmatched bravery of our armed forces. Friends, I also warmly congratulate Shri Jyotiraje Scindia ji for crafting this transformational platform. The 8 states of Northeast are rightly called Ashta Lakshmi. With the blessings of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity, the Northeast is not just rising, but to my mind, it is roaring. In the near future, I can clearly see this region replicating the miracle achieved by neighboring countries like Singapore, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Respected dignitaries, for Reliance, it is a matter of privilege to fulfill the dreams of a region that has the fastest rate of economic growth with the youngest population in India. Today, I make 6 commitments to the Chief Ministers of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. First, Reliance has invested around rupees 30,000 crores in the region in the past 40 years. In the next 5 years, we will more than double our investments with our target at 75,000 crores. In addition to creating over 2.5 million direct and indirect employment opportunities, we aspire to touch the lives of most of our 45 million sisters and brothers in Northeast. Second, Jio has already covered 90% of the population with over 5 million 5G subscribers. We will double this number this year. Jio's priority will be to bring the revolutionary power of artificial intelligence to all schools, hospitals, enterprise, and homes. When talent meets technology and competence meets connectivity, our Northeast will surge ahead. Third, Reliance Retail will vastly increase its procurement of staples, fruits, and vegetables to boost the income of farmers. We will also invest in factories for high-quality FMCG product in the regions and promote the region's fabulous artisan economy. Fourth, we will greatly enhance generation of solar power in the region. Our Prime Minister often speaks of converting waste to wealth. In line with this, we will convert the region's vast wasteland and wealthland by setting up 350 integrated compressed biogas plants. Fifth, Reliance Foundation will bring the best of cancer care to the Northeast. To begin with, we have established a 150-bed comprehensive cancer hospital in Manipur. We are collaborating with Mizoram University on care of breast cancer using genomic data. In Guwahati, we have built an advanced molecular diagnostic and research lab. It will be among the largest genome sequencing capacities in India. We will help transform the Northeast into a healthcare hub and a research powerhouse. Sixth, the Northeast is a treasure house of world-class talent in multiple sports. Reliance Foundation will work with all the 8 states to set up Olympic training centers which will prepare our youth to be tomorrow's medal winners in Olympics. Most respected Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, you have achieved something unbelievable and unimaginable. You have brought the Northeast from the periphery to the center of India's developmental map, from the margins to the mainstream of the India story. Under your guidance, we in industry will work with all the chief ministers to make the Northeast an inspiring model to demonstrate to the rest of the world how we can make progress, how development can take care of Dharti Ma, how Lakshmi Mata can reach every home, and how Bharat Mata indeed embraces all her children with her boundless love. Thank you. Jai Hind.
3 months ago, in Assam, we pledged an investment of rupees 50,000 crores. Today, once again, humble and inspired by your leaderships, I announce that Adani Group will invest additional 50,000 crores across the Northeast over the next 10 years. Our focus will span green energy, including smart meters, hydro, pump storage, power transmission, roads and highways, digital infrastructure, logistics, as well as capacity building through skilling and vocational training centers.